أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Guys, as you know, we are studying Takhti number 4 Harakaat, unit number 4 Harakaat. And what are Harakaat? As I have earlier told you that Fatha, Kasra and Zamma, Zabar, as you can see here, Zair under the letter and Pesh on the letter. These three Harakat are called Harakaat. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, dear students and my dear fellows. How are you? I hope you all will be fine there and enjoying Ramadan. As you know, today 18th Ramadan has been completed there, and the next is 19th Ramadan. So guys, once again I'll welcome back you on my channel Learn with Hafiz Abdul Wahid. And if you want to learn Quran with tajweed, with qawaid, with rules of Arabic grammar, so you have to subscribe my channel Learn with Hafiz Abdul Wahid, and you must have to watch all my coming new videos. So in this respect, you don't have to be forget to press the bell icon so that you can got the notifications of all my coming videos. uh, so guys, let's go and see what's the lesson of today is there. And if there is any letter having any of these three harakat will not be read by pulling or by attaching, but the letter will be read as with a short sound like a, e, u, ha, he, ho, as we have earlier studied. And once again I repeat that Fatha and Zamma will always be on the letters, and Kasra will always be under the letter. So guys, we start the lesson of today with Ta'awuz and Tasmiyah. In the last lesson number 3 of unit number 4 Harakaat, we studied Ain with these three Haraka, Fatha, Kasra and Zamma. And our today lesson is Ha. The makhrij of Ha, the place where we produce the sound of Ha is the middle of our throat, Ha. And when we studied Ha with Fatha, so it will become Ha, Fatha, Ha, Ha, Fatha, Ha, Ha, Fatha, Ha. And the next is Ha, Kasra, Hi. We pulling down the sound of Kasra. Ha, Kasra, Hi. Ha, Kasra, Hi. We throw towards downside of the sound of Kasra, like you can see here. I hope you will following me and practicing the sound of these harakat. Ha, Kasra, Hi. Ha, Kasra, Hi. Ha, Fatha, Ha. Ha, Fatha, Ha. Ha, Kasra, Hi. And the third is Ha with Zamma. Ha, Zamma, Hu, Hu. And when we produce the sound of Zamma, pesh, we make our upper and lower lips in a round shape. Like when we produce the sound of wow in unit number 1, alphabets. When we studied the alphabets, we studied the sound of wow. Similarly, when we produce the sound of Zamma, pesh, we make the upper and lower lips in a round shape, and we produce and throw the sound towards outside in a straight way by making our upper and lower lips in a round shape. Hu, hu. Ha, Fatha, Ha. Ha, Kasra, Hi. And Ha, Zamma, Hu. Ha, Zamma, Hu. Ha, Hi, Hu. ha, he, hu, ha. When we produce the sound of fatha, we'll open our mouth, upper lips towards the upside and lower lip towards the downside, and we produce the sound outside in a straight path. Ha, he, and when we produce the sound of kasra, we throw the sound towards the downside. Hey, hey, and the sound of zamma, hu, by making our both lips in a round shape. Hu, hu, ha, he, hu. Guys, this was a short lesson of today. Ha, he, and hu. I hope you must followed me and practiced the sound of these harakat, so that we can learn easily and successfully the sounds and pronunciations of harakat, and similarly we can go ahead and learn the rules, qawaid and tajweed, sounds and pronunciations of letters and words of harakat of Holy Quran. So guys, once again, I request you who are newcomers on my channel, subscribe my channel, and must watch my upcoming videos if you want to learn Quran with tajweed, qawaid, sitting in their homes in an online uh, by opting an online way. So that guys, see you later on with another lesson, with another video, with another day. Till then, Allah Hafiz.